everyone.
We don't know what we are doing, okay?
Hey everyone, today we're gonna make a forest bridge paint.
What she says, basically.
Hey everyone, today we're gonna make a forest bridge painting.
It's going to be a really big painting and it's a collab of Artsy Eyes and Pure Painter, which is me, and she's Artsy Eyes.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Yeah.
You have to make it far away.
Arey. Yeah. Word. Give me the big brush.
Sorry, I'm
तुम
using
क्या कर रहे हो?
I'm making bushes. अरे क्या कर रही है?
क्या?
तो ढंग से बनाओ. You make some shades ना, क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे यहाँ पे ये shade है ना, and then you can just add white. You don't always have to make shades.
Idiot. So the painting was looking weird and we didn't know what to do, so we did this.
This is an attempt on abstract, I guess. This is, I think we're the only people who can mess up abstract at this point.
Oh, idiots singing together. Okay, now chup.
Why did my voice sound so cursed all the time?
We need more white at this point.
I think my whole white is going to this thing only now.
Yeah.
So like our abstract is done and this is what is left. It's gonna take a bit too much of paint to clean. Good luck, I guess.
At first I felt kind of bad ruining the painting, but then I was like,
What's that?
I'll kill you. So I think this painting is not bad. I think it's
I
like
mean, it's not that great. It's
I mean with the filter it looks good, but like it's kind of more dark in real life, but I still think it's good. I mean,
nice, I guess. I don't know.
and we could not record much of our abstract because most of the time we were like covered with paint and everything. Like look at her hands. Yeah, so we couldn't actually like.
So this is our abstract painting. I hope you guys like it.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not exactly what you expected. It got messy, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget that I'm Pure Painter and she's Artsy Eyes. And subscribe to us for more awesome content. Bye.
Okay.
Oof. Oofy, I keep forgetting that I'm supposed to talk in English half the time.
Yeah.
Person. Focus! Focus! Focus!
Okay.